Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. How are you all doing today? Hope you're having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, please. And do remember to turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So for today's video is how I cut my hair at home by myself, okay, and how I style it. All right, I'm so excited to share this part of my life with you guys today because normally I don't do it on the camera. Like usually I used to go to the barbers when I first started cutting my hair, and I decided that I'm going to put that responsibility on myself in order for me to be able to save a lot of money. Because whenever I go to my barber, I love her, she's awesome, okay. I don't have anything against her, but I just feel like I need to save money, okay. All right, so normally when I go to her, she charges like $20 every 2 weeks for me to just have the side of my hair shaved. And I was like, you know what, I can always do this by myself. Let me just go ahead and purchase a clipper, which I featured in this video. I did kind of a little bit of unboxing for you guys to see what I actually used to shave the side of my hair. I have something I used before at home, a clipper that I used before at home, but now the noise is so unbearable, so I decided to go get another one, okay. But with this one I got, I have instruction of how to take care of it when the noise is too much, so I don't think I'm going to have any problem in nearest future, okay. So if you all want to see how I achieve this look, please do continue watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and do turn on your notification bell. That is very important for you to, in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.